There are a variety of incisions that we offer for breast augmentation. The most popular and the most standard is the inframammary, or the small incision under the breast. This is a hidden incision that can only be seen when looking directly underneath the breast. Most women are most comfortable with this type. We also offer the periareolar, which is a small incision under the nipple. This is considered camouflage because the junction of the nipple color with the rest of the skin provides some camouflage to the eye. There's also an incision called transaxillary, which is a hidden incision in the armpit, and the implant is placed via a small hidden incision at the height of the crease of the armpit. This is a good placement, however, it can be difficult to place the newer cohesive gel implants in. The last incision that we offer is for saline implants only. This can be placed transumbilical or through the belly button. It is, however, difficult to achieve a good under-the-muscle placement via this process. When a patient comes in, they're evaluated, their desires and wishes are discussed, and we offer the best type of incision for the particular patient's needs.